peace of mind. Cracks let in the healing light. Step by step I'll reclaim the ground. In the silence my strength is found. No more clinging to yesterday's fears. Hope's wings lift me through the years, with healing light guiding me through. In this new life I'll start anew. Though I'm broken, I'll light my path, building dreams, leaving pain in the past. Shattered ties I'll leave behind, with a stronger heart and the peace I will find. Wiser now, with my spirit whole, love's compass guiding me toward my goal. Though I'm broken, I'll rise so high, a story of strength written in the sky.